Today's lesson will be on alternate interior angles and parallel lines. We'll start with the definition. Alternate interior angles are two angles that are between two parallel lines and on opposite sides of the transversal. And for example, we have two parallel lines, and we have the transversal here that intersects the two lines, and they form alternate interior angles. Notice that angle 3 and angle 6 are between the two parallel lines, but on opposite sides of the transversal. So we say that angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. Alright, the theorem for alternate interior angles are that alternate interior angles are congruent. What that means is, in this case, you have angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. That means their measures have to be equal to each other. So measurement of angle 3 must equal the measurement of angle 6 because they're alternate interior angles. And likewise, measurement of angle 4 must equal measurement of angle 5 because they're alternate interior angles. Alright, let's apply this to some problems. Let's say I want to know the measurement of angle 4, measurement of angle 5, and measurement of angle 6. Well, right away, I notice that I have a pair of vertical angles. So that forces measurement of angle 4 to equal 140 because vertical angles are congruent. So if this is 140 degrees, right away I know that angle 5 has to equal 140 because it's alternate interior to that angle, to angle 4. And angle 6 is alternate interior to measure 40 degrees. Right, likewise, let's say I want to find the measures of angle 3, 4, and 6. Well, I have two parallel lines and a transversal that intersects, and I have two pairs of alternate interior angles. Angle 4 is alternate interior to this angle, which is 55 degrees, so that forces measurement angle 4 to be 55 degrees. Angle 6 is related to measure 55 in the sense that these two angles must add up to 180 degrees. So this is just simply 180 minus 55, which gives you 125 degrees. And since angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate interior, measurement of angle 3 must be 125 degrees. Okay, let's say I want to find the value of x as well as the measures of angle 3, 5, and 6. Well, right away I notice that these are vertical angles, so I can simply set these two expressions equal to each other. And if you solve for x, you get x is 70. Which makes sense because this has to be 73 degrees. X 70 plus 3 is 73. Angle 5 corresponds, it was an alternate interior angle to 73 degrees. So measurement angle 5 must equal 73. Angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. So I know the measurement of angle 3 equals measurement of angle 6. But there's a relationship between angle 3 and 73 degrees. They have to have a sum of 180. So, measurement of angle 3 equals 180 minus 73, which gives you 107. So if this is 170 degrees, then measurement angle 6 must be 107 as well. So in conclusion, we know that x has to be 70 degrees. Measurement of angle 5 is 73 degrees. Measurement of angle 3 is 107. And measurement of angle 6 must be 107 because it's alternate interior to angle 3. This concludes my lesson for today.